The mass trespass onto Kinder Scout started from this quarry 24th of April 1932. So I am at the Bowden Bridge car park. I am actually just parked outside the car park, as is everyone, as it's a pay and display in here, but it's free just on the roadside. So yeah, today's walk is going to be 8.5 to 9 miles, I think, up from here to Kinderlow to visit the downfall, which given the temperatures should be quite impressive, and then just go a little bit around the top and down William Clough, I think. So this is the way I'm heading. I'm going anti-clockwise. I'll pop a little map on and we'll see how we go. It could be cold up top. So beautiful sunshine already. Supposed to be like this all day. Clear views, little wind. What wind there will be will have the chill. The climb certainly is underway. Already, what am I, 370 metres up. I'm going to put my snow grips on. It's a little bit slidey underfoot, and I think they'll help. There's not exactly going to be less snow up top, is there? So if you haven't got any of these are just a £10 jobby from Go Outdoors. Excuse me, I'm panting a bit. And they really do work for conditions like this. I have been up before in similar. So they just loop over your boot, hard to do when it's cold. Get it in the right position. Like so. Oh, there are little coils on them. And they just help you grip a little bit. I'm going to take a jacket off as well, obviously. Climbing up, it's rather warm. It's quite a steep climb at this early section. It'll take me down this one up, I think. Find room for it in here with everything else now. Leave that one on for now. That's not my glove, by the way, that was already left there. Somebody's lost it, so if you've lost a glove heading up Kinder from Hayfield, it's about 370 metres up where there's a gate and a stile. There aren't many that have taken this route today. There we go. Beautiful day. Cold, but beautiful. And look at the ruined snow now. Quite a climb in the snow. That's about 450 metres, just under I think. Great views back over, I don't know, is that Manchester that way? Must be. And then more to climb yet. Still going up, just over 500 metres now. So I'll just give you another pan around. Higher than a lot of the peaks now. Yep, them grips are pretty good. Okay, I've come from down this way from Hayfield. The pan round now. A bit more footfall I'm coming towards. This path down this way. Here's what heads down Jacob's Ladder towards Edale. My route continues now round up this way to, there's a cairn up here somewhere, and then we go off left to the Trig. I was looking out for the cairn. I reckon it's shrunk a bit, but it's just a snow covered mound. I didn't spot it. Anyway, off up this way, half up to Kinder. That way carries on along the edge to Bowden Tower. Is it up that way somewhere? We're off up to the summit. I've been up here when you can't see a thing, and this trig point is near enough impossible to find. Not today. Absolutely beautiful day. I'll pop up on top of here. There are some others about, so I mightn't get the drone out just yet, but I will be getting the drone out today. Kinder Reservoir down there, and at the top of the valley, somewhere behind this lot, is the next good viewing spot, hopefully, which will be Kinder Downfall. So quiet. There we go then, what a sight that is. A frozen up Kinder Downfall. A little bit of water trickling down it, but not a lot. It's all too cold. Oops, I don't know if you caught that on there, but a bit of ice just fell from the top level bit. I can't believe how lovely it is. There's hardly any wind. That wind chill factor hasn't gone down to -10 like they said it might do, that's a fact. A bit cool when you stop, but no, not that bad at all. Yet another panoramic pan around.
Mine would be make it big in England.
So the drop off has started. I come down, drop off steeply around here and then come down the valley down here, I think towards Kinder Reservoir. 3 miles left to go and that's it. But what a beautiful day. Quite the steep drop off then off William Cuff, down William Cuff. So there are paths both sides of the reservoir. The one I've plotted comes down the right hand side. Don't know if you could see that, sorry. Please keep on the track, we'll be doing that as we head past the reservoir. Probably the last look at the Kinder Plateau behind there then, as we head into this dazzling sun alongside the reservoir. Mile and a half to go, just under. Pause if you'd like to have a read about the reservoir centenary. Can't quite read the most of this sign, but that does say Booth's Sheep Wash. Yeah, I tried to wipe the snow off, but it's all iced over, so I can't. So I've got about 3/4 of a mile to go, just down this road back to Hayfield. What a fantastic day. I will put a map of the walk on the screen and add on the mileage and total elevation gain. But that's about it. Thank you as ever for joining me on what has been a truly fantastic walk. Beautiful day, couldn't have asked for better. Thought it was going to be colder up on the tops. There wasn't much of a breeze, so there was no wind chill factor up there. Absolutely stunning. I've really enjoyed it. I hope you have too. Thanks as ever, of course, for watching. And until the next time, which I don't know when that will be and where that will be, but until then, take care out there and enjoy hiking. Bye bye.